let's make some Caesar dressing for our Caesar salad. But before we continue with this today, hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Alright, we'll be needing parmesan cheese, Dijon mustard, anchovies. In the ramekin we have chopped garlic, black pepper and salt, and our homemade mayonnaise, freshly squeezed lemon juice and vegetable oil. We pour in our mayonnaise into a bowl, throw in our Dijon mustard, anchovies and the lemon juice. Don't forget to add your chopped garlic, your black pepper and salt, and we whisk this together. When this is done, we're going in with our oil. Please don't forget to use neutral oil. Avoid extra virgin olive oil because it has a strong flavor and might interfere with the taste of this. Next, we go in with our parmesan cheese. We whisk it some more, and then this dressing is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. For how to make the homemade mayonnaise, which I used in this recipe, you can click on the link on the screen. And don't forget to try out this recipe and let me know how it came out. Until my next video, stay safe. Bye.